This girl, she never reach here. This hookup girl self, she don't finish me like this. Congee. Who be that? Huh?
Hi, honey.
Are you the hookup girl?
Yes.
Come inside. We go church. Fine. Yeah.
No, wait. Now, let's talk about the price first.
The price?
Yes.
Okay, how much is the price?
100k.
100k for a night?
Yeah.
No, it's too much. Let me pay 50k.
No, I don't take 50k.
Don't take 50k?
Yeah.
100k is the last?
Yeah.
No, I cannot pay 100k.
You can see your number.
Oh, yeah, sorry, okay. Sit down, I go pay. I'll go bath. Bath. Go and bath. Go bath. 100k. Go and bathe. Fast. Or 100k for one night. She go hear that from me now.
Let's start.
We'll start. We'll start.
I do so much.
You're so fucking Receptionist, leave this room. Baby. What starts?
I do so much massage.
Love you. I just love you. I said she should stop disturbing us. Leave this place. Now, leave the room. Pack on us and leave. Please. Close the door. Please get us our food. Baby. Love you.
I do so